How to download and use MSI Afterburner. This video guide will cover, what is MSI Afterburner? How to download and install MSI Afterburner. How to use MSI Afterburner. 1. What is MSI Afterburner? MSI Afterburner is a freeware overclocking utility for NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards. It allows users to overclock their graphics cards, monitor their performance, and record gameplay. Afterburner is developed by MSI, a Taiwanese computer hardware manufacturer. Afterburner was first released in 2002 and has since become one of the most popular overclocking utilities available. It is easy to use and provides a wide range of features, making it a popular choice for both experienced and novice overclockers. Some of the features of MSI Afterburner include, overclocking. Afterburner allows users to overclock their graphics cards by increasing the core clock, memory clock, and voltage. Monitoring. Afterburner provides users with real-time information about their graphics card's performance, including the core clock, memory clock, temperature, and usage. Recording. Afterburner allows users to record gameplay in high definition. Benchmarking. Afterburner can be used to benchmark graphics cards to compare their performance. Customization. Afterburner can be customized to change the user interface, fan curve, and other settings. MSI Afterburner is a powerful and versatile overclocking utility that is available for free. It is a popular choice for both experienced and 2. How to download and install MSI Afterburner. To get the latest version of Afterburner, go to https://www.msi.com/landing/afterburner/graphics-cards. 3. How to use MSI Afterburner. Below are some basic tips for you get started MSI Afterburner. 1. Enable screen display. 2. Set fan profile. 3. Limit your GPU, if you need.